Threads of Love and Legacy. Once upon a time, in a small village between some hills, there lived a young girl named Mia. Mia's mother, Sarah, was very kind and gentle. Every morning, Sarah woke Mia with a smile and a song, filling their home with joy. Sarah worked hard as a seamstress, making beautiful dresses for the village people. Even though she was busy, she always helped Mia with her studies and told stories about their ancestors. One autumn afternoon, Mia found an old photo album in the attic. Curious, she showed it to Sarah. They looked at the old photos and Sarah laughed as she remembered her youth. Each photo showed family gatherings, village festivals, and the changing seasons. As Mia grew up, she loved sewing and storytelling like her mother. In the evenings, they sat by the fireplace, sewing and telling stories. Sarah was proud of Mia's growing skills. One spring morning, Sarah became sick. Mia, now a good seamstress, took care of her mother. She made herbal teas and sang lullabies. Even though she worried, Mia stayed strong, remembering their happy times and the love they shared. Sarah's health got better each day, thanks to Mia's care and the village's support. One evening, Sarah held Mia's hand and said, "You have grown into a wonderful woman. I am very proud of you." Mia cried with happiness and hugged her mother. After that, Mia kept her mother's memory alive through her sewing and stories. Village children loved to hear her tales about bravery, kindness, and the love between a mother and daughter. Their home stayed a place of love and warmth, with memories of Sarah's laughter, a sign of a mother's strong love.